Today's webinar will be about improving computer speeds. Please let me know if the screen is blurry or if the audio isn't working. So for today, we'll explore 3 different topics. First one is non-technical ways to speed up your computer. Second one is how to speed up a Windows device. Third one is how to speed up a Mac OS device. So first, we'll explore general solutions. Introduction. RAM usage and slowdown. Running programs use RAM, a fast type of memory. Filling RAM over time slows down your computer. Swap files and virtual memory. RAM almost full triggers swap files usage. Swap files act like an extra memory on the hard drive. Ideal program data move to swap files to free up RAM. Swapping causes hard drive reading and writing slowing down PC. Shut down or restart. You can turn off, unplug, reconnect, and turn back on your device to reduce lag and boost performance. Also, you can close programs. You can free up RAM by shutting down unused programs, but does not address slowdown caused by swap file usage. You can restart your computer. Restarting your computer will clear the RAM and terminates background processes, updates, and potential issues like viruses or glitches. It can also ensure overall better computer performance and speed. Delete unnecessary software. You can remove unnecessary preloaded, unused, and/or space-consuming apps to free up space and enhance performance. You can click Start. That will go to all apps, and you can see the installed applications. You can right-click the program to uninstall from Options menu. Alternatively, right-click Start, visit Programs and Features, or use Cortana search for programs. Consider which apps are essential to your computer's proper functioning. Limit startup programs. Manage startup apps for faster PC bootup. Access Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. There, you can view a list of installed apps and their impact on system performance, including RAM usage. You can right-click on the app, disable to preventing booting up a program automatically. Try disabling a program. restart your PC and see if it affects performance. Can customize startup to have only necessary apps, possibly speeding up your PC. Also, you can empty your recycling bin. If your hard drive has less than 500 megabytes left, it means it's time for a cleanup. Empty the recycling bin to free up space. As for Mac, click and hold recycling bin icon and click empty trash. For PC, double-click recycling bin, right-click, and then empty recycle bin. Defragmenting your hard drive. Regular defragging prevents and fixes performance issues by reorganizing data to be accessed more easily. Windows 7 and newer will auto-defrag weekly. Start menu, type defragment, and click defragment and optimize drives. Optimize drive provides option to change settings to adjust defrag frequency for your hard drive, more or less defragging. Manual defrag. Select drive, then click optimize and allow time for process. Use disk cleanup. This cleanup identifies and removes unused files and programs to free up space. Access from Start button or Cortana search. Analyzes computer storage and presents files you can safely delete. It can also scan for temporary files, installers, and unused web pages for your hard drive. Review list of items, confirm selection, and automatically deletes unnecessary files. Additional solutions. Clear your browser history and cookies. Cookies and files stored in browser. Regularly clearing out increases browser speed and computer performance. Check your hard drive. Ideally, you should have at least 500 megabytes of hard drive space so the machine operates smoothly. For Mac OS, Apple menu on your top left corner, select About this Mac, and then you can click the Storage tab. As for PC, you can click the File Explorer, and then this PC on the left navigation bar to click item labeled Windows C, typically your main drive. Also, You can consider solid-state drive, also called as SSD startup, beneficial for users of multiple apps at the same time. Photo, video editing software, commonly internal SSDs installed in computers, but can buy an external drive that can connect to your laptop with a USB 3.0. Next, we'll explore some solutions specifically for the Windows. First, check for the latest updates for Windows. You can ensure your PC has the latest Windows 11 version for optical performance. Check for updates and settings, Windows, update, and check for updates. If you're up to date, check for optional updates. If updates are available, select Install Now after downloading updates. You can choose updates to install and select Install. Restart your PC to see if it improves performance. Check for optional updates and settings, and then Windows Update, Advanced Options, and then Optional Updates. Uninstalled apps and old software. You can remove unnecessary pre-installed software called bloatware to free up storage space. To do this, go to Control Panel, Programs and Features, and then uninstall a program. Right-click on Unwanted Programs and then select Uninstall. Identify bloatware by sorting the list by PC maker's name, recent installations, or size. Select junk apps and click Uninstall, but remember to remove them one at a time to avoid accidentally deleting the wrong one. Change your power mode to best performance. Boost computing speed by changing power settings to high performance. On Windows 10, you can go to Settings, Systems, Power and Sleep, Additional power settings, Show additional plans, choose high performance. On Windows 11, go to Settings, System, and then Power and Battery, and then select Better Performance or Best Performance. Disable startup programs. Running multiple programs when starting your computer can slow down your PC performance. To fix this, You can open Task Manager, click on the Startup tab, check Startup Impact to identify high-impact programs. Right-click on a program, and then click Disable to prevent it from launching at a startup. Disable special effects. To disable these effects, open Windows menu, Systems, and Advanced System Settings. Click the Advanced tab, Performance Settings, Visual Effects tab, and choose Custom. You can untick the boxes next to visual effects you want to disable, and then click Apply. Alternatively, select Adjust for the best performance at the top to turn off effects that slows down your system. Turn off tips and notifications. Disable Windows tips and notifications for faster processing. Open Settings and System and Notifications to change notification settings. Turn off all notification with the switch at the top. Also, you can uncheck individual apps you don't want to receive notifications from. Tap the Do Not Disturb button in the notification sidebar to pause notifications temporarily. It makes it easier to re-enable later on. Check for viruses and malware. Slow PC, pop-up messages, automatic program starts, or constant hard disk activity may indicate a virus or malware. Prevent infections by running and updating anti-malware and anti-virus software. Use Windows Security, also known as Windows Defender Security Center and Windows 10 and 11 to scan for viruses and malicious software. Lastly, we'll explore the solutions you can use within Mac OS. Update software. Apple issues free Mac OS updates regularly with performance fixes and improvements. To check for updates, click Apple icon on the top left of the screen, above this Mac on your drop-down menu, and then click Software Update. Click Update Now if an update is available, and enable automatically keep my Mac up to date. Maintain a tidy desktop. Keep your Mac desktop clutter-free for better performance. Each file on the desktop uses RAM, slowing down your Mac if there are too many files. Try to organize files in appropriate folders, such as documents, pictures, and etc. for improved speed. Use desktop stacks. You can do this by clicking on the View and New Stack in macOS Sierra or later to automatically sort files into folders. I personally use this and this really helps. Force quit unwanted apps. Close unused programs running in the background to improve performance. Check the dock for running apps. Look for a dot on the opened icons. You can also find this by using Command plus Tab to view opened apps in the app switcher. Right-click on dock icons and choose Quit or use Command Q to quit apps. If an app is unresponsive or causing issues, try to use the Apple menu and then force quit to shut it down. Clear the cache. To clear the cache, open Finder, Go, and go to folder. Type library and then cache to enter to access the cache files. Select all files. You can do this by using Command A or right-click an individual file to avoid important deletions. Right-click and then move to trash or move to bin to delete cached files. Remember to back up files before making changes. Finally, empty the trash to complete the cache cleanup. Activity Monitor and background processes. Launch Finder, click on the Applications, Utilities folder, or Command Spacebar, and then type in Activities. Click on the CPU button to view apps listed by the CPU usage. Click X icon at the top to quit or force quit the process app with excessive CPU usage. Repeat the steps for the memory tab as well. Activity Monitor. Limit number of web browsing apps. You can check how much memory your apps are using. Open Finder, click on Application and then Utilities, and click on Activity Monitor and then on the Memories tab. Identify apps consuming significant memory. Web browsing with many tabs can slow down your system. Close unused web browser tabs to free up RAM and speed up your computer. Delete large unnecessary files. Declutter your Mac by accessing and removing unnecessary apps. Click on Apple icon, About this Mac, and Storage tab. Click Manage to review storage recommendations for optimizing your storage or storing photos and videos on iCloud rather than on your Mac. Click Turn On for automatic emptying of trash files after 30 days, where review files to decide on content necessity. To access first aid, open Finder, Applications, and left-hand menu, and then Disk Utility. Select your Mac's hard drive from the utility list, and first aid from the top icons. Click on the Run button when prompted to start the process. After the scan, first aid shows potential issues and suggests ways to fix them. Follow the recommendations for a healthy hard drive. If all these solutions doesn't work, you can contact the Apple support. Finally, if all previous steps do not work, then it is worth contacting Apple support for further assistance. To get in-person assistance, schedule a Genius Bar appointment at an Apple store. It will be more convenient for laptops than Mac desktops. Now, I'm going to play a live demo. These are some of the additional resources that you can explore. The slideshow will be sent with your email. And thank you for listening. If you would like to learn this lesson with the Cyber Seniors mentor, please go to the Cyber Seniors website or call 844-217-3057 to register for a one-on-one phone call session. We also host weekly tech drop-in sessions from 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern Time on Thursdays.